Welcome to the Virtual Laboratory Learning Center. Click the Guideline button to see the instruction. Click About button to see the research main goal. Click Start button to begin the training. The application is developed under the purpose of research emphasized on the integration of virtual reality technology with training and education under the context of construction management. To produce an effective training result, the user is recommended to follow the instruction as below. 1. To proceed the training subsequently based on the given guidance. 2. Make sure Now let's begin. Press the trackpad to move. We recommend you to stand above the footprint sign before going further. OK. Now you can begin by going through the text summary of each instrument step by step. Initially, we recommend you to start with the rebound hammer tool, which is on the right-hand side. Testing preparation. The specimen shall be at least 100 mm thickness and 150 mm in diameter. The smaller specimen shall be solidly supported before testing. The frozen, fragile and uneven surface must be avoided since it may produce low rebound number. Hence, the test surface shall be non-frozen, solid and grounded flat. Avoid instrument usage. Hold the instrument firmly and perpendicular to the test surface with both hand and push against the test surface until the hammer impact. Read the rebound number on the scale indicator while maintaining the pressure applied on the instrument. Or, press the button on the side of the instrument to lock the scale in place for a better and easier to read the result. Push the instrument against the test surface again to release the lock. Strength analysis. At least 10 readings shall be performed with at least 25 mm away from one another. Convert the rebound number into strength based on the direction of each test and the graph on the instrument. Estimate means of strength from all the readings. Compare the results with the design strength. Great. Now, place the rebound hammer vertically on the red circle platform to see the animation of the testing process. Initially you need to hold the machine firmly with both hands and press against the concrete surface. Press the lock to lock the rebound scale. Check and record the rebound results manually. Read the result on the graph based on the direction and the number of rebound of the hammer. Press against the concrete surface again to release the spring. That's it. Now let's practice on the sample on the right-hand side. Grab the hammer instrument to practice. Due to the current limitation of the application, you can grab the hammer instrument with only one hand at a time. Press again the concrete vertically downward. The result will pop up for you. Then, click Close for another test. After the practice, you can start learning with another instrument. Testing preparation. The concrete surface must not be coated with any electrical insulating coating. The rebar grid should be marked out with the help of a rebar locator to avoid direct measurement on the rebar with cover less than 30 mm. The concrete must not be completely dry. Therefore, moisturization of the surface sometimes is necessary. Instrument usage. To use the instrument, press and hold the side button for around 2 seconds to switch the power on, off or to freeze the measurement on the screen. Dip all the 4 probes tips into the water before making a measurement. Press the instrument against the concrete surface firmly and perpendicularly until the 2 outer rubber caps rest on the surface to be tested. Record the electrical resistivity. Test other surfaces of the specimen. Electrical resistivity analysis. 4 times reading is recommended for a better result. Then, calculate the means of the 4 results. The higher the number is indicated, the better the result. Great! Now place the tool on the red circle box to trigger and see the animation of the testing process. The electrical resistivity consists of power button, USB port for charging and exporting data, and the electrical probing. Press and hold around 2 seconds to switch on the machine. Expose the 4 probes tips to the water before using to guarantee the transmission of electric current. Hold the machine with both hands firmly and press the 4 probes against the concrete surface. Make sure that the 4 probes rest on the concrete surface steadily. While maintaining the instrument on the concrete, read and record the data manually or press the power button around 2 seconds to freeze the data on the screen. Great! Now let's practice using the tool on the concrete sample on the left-hand side. Feel free to navigate around upon the completion.